Good evening, my people. Good evening, audience all over the world. Support Table TV on the MIT. This is evening. This is around 6:30 to 7. Ojiela. So people are not here. Russia was going where you know na abazi. Communicate last table. Ever no now the popular water fountain, the very first water fountain that Alex Shoma Oti delivered and here in a center of attraction between Ngwa Road, very close to Ojos, the popular Ojos of Bridge, Ngwa Road. The left hand side is People's Road, Emelogu Road. The right hand side is People's Road. And all these roads is being rehabilitated and also constructed by the state government, Dr. Alex Shoma Oti OFR. The water fountain was also delivered by him. You can see within the neck. People are here, by 1759. This is the time for people to hang out. So right now, people are doing their hangouts in all the happening place, all the beer parlor, all the joints, all the hotels around this axis. People are all having fun. You can see the movement of the vehicular movement has been all enhanced. The security is top notch. The town is booming. Business is booming. Investors are trooping in mass. I just want to show you the beauty of what we have on ground and also what we are expected to have. So, and by this time, remember, let me also do a recap to show our people. Because when they know we the field on our water fountain, and I say Aurora. I don't know idea, and I also believe that the street lights will all come up. Yes, they will soon come up. Then we can enjoy the type of lightning and the type of movement I may enjoy here in Aba. So I know that no all what I am, especially for some of us that have not traveled abroad, for some of us that have not been to other states, where the development will in place. So anyone they can be proud and also show of what we have, and we are here to guide our own. We are here to guide the one that our governor be able to give us. So I na guide here. On the man you bioma, on the reduce depression. At least I got in na kota hospital na. Somebody can be able to relax, have fun. We never know be a yelu, tano, ye wo bioma, hang out with the friends, more meeting, more get together, and also forgetting about depression and also all the stress not gonna for the day. So people neighbor today, remember, and that's you know how the movement or the vehicular movement around this axis, around this vicinity. You can see how people are going their various businesses. You can see how people are coming from here to here, lightning everywhere. Business are booming. The mother na lota. Na ga get through an issue. So people say mbaga muro hore abia situ auto this time na ade. Auto our roundabout no ba. Alo si Malia, they clean the whole place. You make na ademma. Ship to here mo ugbo na elekere mo ugbo na. My phone you can see towards the our Emelogu, popular Emelogu, and the turn opposite side. Here they towards the ongoing this one is the ongoing I don't know the part the people's road. So but the main target is now our water fountain. The water fountain is a center of attraction, a center of beautification, a center of gamification, a center of happiness, a center of display. Yeah, Aba have been turned to a full construction site. So when you are neighbor, or when you equipment, earth moving equipment, you need to relocate them back to Aba because I need to know run our chassis and our equipment they are rural because the governor is determined to change the fortune of Abia State. Fully determined to business here. And you want to say business, enabling environment for business. Business will always grow on its own. Security, top notch. And in a has business growth, access road, and also steady electricity supply. That is the few things the has business. So once them with security, we access road. The governor is assuring us now that he is going to do more. He is going to bring investors will be rushing to Abia State. But how needed investment needed to survive in anywhere. Just like today, this evening, some people called me on phone saying how real estate agents that they want to bring their business here in Aba, but they want the property currently in Aba. Now to Arabia, how many engage communicate their around. And that's everything they may happen so that they will be able to bring their business in Aba. It's a welcome development. I welcome them. I encourage them to come. Once they come, we take them around because all we want is to project Abia State. All we care for is to better the life of Abias. All we are praying for is for investments to be flying from pillar to post. People are doing engaged because an idle man is a devil's workshop. You can see the flowing of the water fountain. The Emelogu, so all the even online, especially to our abroad friends, our abroad followers, our abroad fans, and all we need to access na Beba. All we need to invest in Beba. I can encourage you to come fully, come and invest. This is all we want. This is all we are praying for, and we will make sure we will guide you. We will guide you and make sure that you do any mistake, you do any invest wrongly. You want to have one chance, but I won't be there. So we will guide you, but all our duty, all our calling, all our passion to make sure that we will get developed, whether or like Raymond or like here. Kepu no today, wo Tuesday, the 5th day of March 2024, n'ime Aba, our water fountain, Emelogu Junction, or call it People's Road Junction, or Ngwero Junction, all together. Here triple Y Junction, or connect to Ngwero, or connect to People's Road, or connect to Emelogu. So, on eme, ya bụ ile m anya, ị ga-amakwa na ebe ahụ Aba. This is what we see in Abuja. This is what we see in Enugu. This is what we see in some part of River State and also other developing areas. Even in Edo State, or Asaba and its environs. Today, those things are now in the mother. Those things are in the mother na living doors abatakwala n'obodo anyị. Anyị esikwala na ihe a na-eme. Anyị esikwala anya join the moving train and the na-akpọdo everywhere. Adị m happy ime identify with this change. Adị m happy ime identify with this beauty, with this development. I am ekele our governor, Dr. Alex Chioma Osi, OFR. I na-ekelekwa our deputy governor, Engineer Ikechukwu Emetu. And we the darling wife to our governor, Miss Priscilla COT. So I ekele amaka ụta mbọ niile a na-agba to better the state, mbọ niile ha na-agba to make Abia a better place, mbọ niile ha na-agba to put smile on the faces of the Abians, mbọ niile ha na-agba ọ na ha metala mkpụrụ. Ọzọ Chineke gbaa ha ume, Chineke gbakwa ndị ọbụla na-etinye aka na-eme ka enwere ike rụzie obodo a ume. Chineke gbakwa all our investors Chineke batara abata ume. Chineke gbakwa ndị na-ele vidio anyị ume maka ọ dịghị izi. Chineke gbakwa ndị na-efolo anyị on our various social media handles ume maka ọ dịghị ihe a na-eme adịghị izi. A na-eme nkwu na-eme nke a na-eme ọtara bifinoeti ebe a achapụ bifinoeji Aba aghọọ ihe eji ama atụ. Bifinoeji investọ ji aka ha na-abịa ọwụrụ nke ebe na-ebe prichi ihe prichi gị, ọwụrụ nke ebe yọọ ha biko, ọwụrụ nke ịchọwa ha gawa na obodo ha na-arịọ ha ka ha bịa. Ha ga-ahụ the reasons for them to come. So ọ ha kebukebu ji mere ebe a today sị mba ka m mee 102 sikwa mba ụwa nyekwa n'ihe kwuru ka a na-eme. And the governor is not leaving any stone unturned until he develop our state, until he bring investors, until he change the fortune of Boston State, until he revamp the system, until development, until we don't have state to compare major cities. We are comparing major cities here in the country or even outside the world, which made us to be the economic hub of the Southeast, or the commercial center, the Japan of Africa. Oko Abiwala, everywhere Chapawala, 3,000 every time. Ile Bukwanya na Danda Number Road, You can be able to see the street lighting. Because now you, because now show up everywhere. Even in Abali, you love it. As a Muru, soon. No one here could can name it. And the governor is not leaving any stone unturned. All his target for him to develop other states. Movements, regular movement in the water, they can abandon machine and Abba. No disturbance, no intimidation, no embarrassment. I mean, the labor aketa, Amuguri cannot be there. Oko, na wire. Can see them coming up. Ukwaru n'oge ya, ya ọdaa, ọ na-achawapụla, and Aba na-achawapụkwa. Ebe ọbụla tinyere isi kwụ ọkụ, ebe ọbụla tinyere isi kwụ ngozi. Look at the condition of our roads. Ebe ọbụla tinyere isi ọkụ a na-acha everywhere. That is our prayer. That is our expectation. That is what we want. And the ụbọchị nke taa, atụkwa mgbọrọgwụ ohere a 0 1 or 2 unu nwere ike mee ala anyị. Unu nwere ike support. And yes, to our die-hard followers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. The love is massive. To people who always share our video, thank you. And I'm making you. And I'm encourage GPK. Like this here, I name we can to permanent site. As I'm over there, maybe we get like week because guitar on how about that. Oboshi, how about you? Gina. On how everywhere. So people neighbor today as a Kamuru as a one photo. Amuru as Zimboa, Utu Abba de Nayase. Bola Chapola, Okwayan Acha, Midayan Abba, everything. I'm Thank you for watching Cable TV, and may God bless you all as you are supporting us more and more. I love you all. To our body.